Today I will show you how to get obsidian in Minecraft. It's a block that you use to go to the nether in the nether portal, or it's a very good building block. But I'll show you how to get obsidian. You can either find a lava pool like this and take a water bucket. You can place it on the side here and it became obsidian. It has to be over the lava, not under it. You can even do this if you have a lava bucket, you can put here. And then you need a diamond pickaxe or a netherite pickaxe to mine this. This is all you have to do to get obsidian, like this. And here we can build our nether portal. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.